As the name implies, alternate day fasts are performed by alternating between fasting and non-fasting days. In the purest sense, a fast means that you completely abstain from consuming calories. However, there are modified versions of alternate day routines that allow you to consume about 500 calories on your fasting days. This modified way of eating is growing in popularity because it is doable and it produces weight loss results. In this video, I will share a hearty 500 calorie recipe that is filled with hunger-satisfying nutrients. Dr. Krista Verde is one of the leading researchers on alternate day fasting. She found that modifying the fasting days by allowing the consumption of 20 to 25% of your body's energy needs, which is typically simplified to 500 calories, increases adherence without sacrificing the health and weight loss benefits. The 5-2 diet that was popularized by Dr. Michael Mosley puts an additional spin on this way of eating. His fast day protocol involves limiting your calorie intake to 500 or 600 calories for 2 days of the week, and then eating as you normally would for 5 days. And those fasting day calories can be spread out into smaller meals or consumed in a single meal like I will be showing you today. Now, when you are looking at this 1 meal a day way of eating, a 500 calorie meal is not a tremendous amount of food. However, you can make it feel bigger by combining high volume, low calorie vegetables with foods that provide a good amount of fat and protein. This combination will digest slowly, so hunger stays away longer. It will also keep your blood sugar level steady, which prevents hard to control cravings later in the day. This Mexican shredded beef bowl has those hunger-satisfying elements. And I will mention that I will be sharing the ingredients and directions in this video, but if you would like to download the recipe, you can do so on my blog, which I will point you to. The recipe serves 4, but the downloadable version allows you to reduce the servings if you want to reduce leftovers. Now, much of the fat and protein in this meal comes from the shredded beef that I prepared in a crock pot. I simply trimmed the excess fat off of a bottom round roast, seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and placed it in my slow cooker for 8 hours. Then I shredded the beef by pulling it apart with 2 forks. Now, this recipe calls for 1 pound of meat. I made a 2-pound roast, which you may want to do as well. The leftovers can be used in another meal or frozen for later. And you could also make this recipe with ground beef if you don't want to make a roast. Much of the volume of this meal comes from cauliflower. Cauliflower is a popular non-starchy vegetable with low-carb and keto dieters because it is so versatile. When finely chopped, it has a similar look and consistency to white rice, but has only a fraction of the carbohydrates. Cauliflower rice is also easy to season with different spices, which can add a lot of flavor to a meal. For our 500 calorie meal, I am using cauliflower rice seasoned with taco seasoning. And because of cauliflower rice's popularity, you can find it pre-riced at stores like Costco. You can also find it in your grocery store in the frozen foods area or the produce aisle. For this recipe, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet and then added 1 pound of frozen pre-riced cauliflower and a packet of taco seasoning mix and cooked it for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on whether you are using fresh or frozen rice. And just a side note, you can make your own taco seasoning mix. For convenience, in this video, I am using a packaged mix from the grocery store. Just a note, before you buy a seasoning mix, check the nutrition label. Many people overlook the fact that spices come from plants and all plants contain carbohydrates. Now, in most of our cooking, we're not adding a lot of spices. However, store-bought seasoning packets contain many spices and possibly fillers. So you will want to pay attention to that if you are following a low-carb or keto diet. Now, a nice thing about this recipe is that you can make all of the parts the day before and then assemble the meal when you are ready to eat. For instance, if your modified fasting day is Monday, you can make the beef and cauliflower rice on Sunday and store it in the refrigerator. You can also make this spicy low-carb sauce the day before. Homemade sauces put you in control of the ingredients and are simple to prepare. For this sauce, I combined a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard in a small bowl, and just stirred them together. Now, remember that the recipe that I'm describing serves 4, but if we are looking at a serving, we see that we already have a hearty meal with fat and protein to control hunger, yet these 3 elements, the beef, rice, and sauce, only add up to 350 calories. So we have 150 more calories to add that will allow us to add more hunger-satisfying and flavorful toppings. For toppings, I chopped up a small bell pepper and onion, as well as a medium-sized poblano pepper, which provides a bit of heat. If you like a little bit more heat, you can add a hot sauce like sriracha. I also added to the fat content of the meal by including half of an avocado and a cup of shredded cheese. I used a mix of Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese for this recipe. Together, this meal has just over 500 calories, 36 grams of fat, 35 grams of protein, and less than 13 grams of carbs. This macronutrient breakdown is going to keep your blood sugar level steady, making it easier to continue through your fasting period. If you would like to download this recipe, you can do so by visiting my blog. The downloadable recipe allows you to change the servings and also provides metric measurements for my viewers who are living outside of the US. You can follow the links here on the video or below in the description area to get the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps you succeed and feel good on your alternate day fasting routine. Please click the subscribe button before you go, and have a great day.